Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 11 weeks with a large ovarian cyst. Now you can see the cyst, the large ovarian cyst. Ovarian cysts are common during early pregnancy even though you are no longer menstruating. Usually these cysts are harmless just like most other ovarian cysts. However, there are a few possible problems if the cyst continues to grow throughout the pregnancy. Now you can see the large ovarian cyst. This is the left ovarian cyst. Happily, the majority of ovarian cysts won't affect the pregnancy at all. Other types of cysts can continue to grow during pregnancy and in some cases cause pain, but even in those cases such cysts usually do not cause problems for the pregnancy. Now this cyst measures about more than 5 centimeter, 5.3 into 5.1 centimeter. This is a left ovarian cyst, quite a large cyst. And the pregnancy, the duration of the pregnancy is about 11 weeks. Most ovarian cysts do not cause infertility. Cysts that become infected and cause a pelvic pain may cause scarring in the fallopian tubes, which could cause infertility. However, this is rare. Now you can see the blood flow inside the fetus and inside the fetal heart and the fetal umbilical cord. Now you can see the cardiac activity is visible and it is also audible. Ovarian cysts that contain endometriosis may be associated with infertility. If the cyst gets so big, it prevents the baby's head from engaging the pelvis. The insertion of a needle may be needed and drainage could be done when the pregnancy is close to the due date. If this is successful, then one can be able to give birth naturally. Now this pregnancy measures about 11 weeks. If the cysts get larger, it can cause many problems. Ovarian cysts are fluid-filled sacs that form on the ovaries, and these are usually not cancerous. If the ovarian cyst is diagnosed and the female is trying to get pregnant, it is important to know that ovarian cysts do not typically cause problems with fertility. However, there are always exceptions to the rules. Now you can see the duration of the pregnancy measured by crown rump length and by the measurement of gestation sacs is about 11 weeks. You can see the measurements. Ovarian cysts can lead to a number of potential problems. In pregnancy, the problems are more acute in the asymptomatic phase because the risk of premature delivery caused by or associated with surgical intervention increases with gestational age after approximately 20 weeks. Now you can see the vigorous fetal movements. You can see the sex of the fetus, and it looks to be male, although it is too early to comment about it. Now, these ovarian cysts may rupture during pregnancy, and if a very early pregnancy, this may cause diagnostic confusion with ectopic pregnancy. Rebound tenderness from the pain is possible, and the hemorrhage from a cyst can rarely be severe enough to cause shock. And now you can see the vigorous fetal movements. Fetal cardiac activity is visible. Now the fetus is moving very fast. Fetal movements, vigorous fetal movements are visible. Looks to be quite interesting and fascinating to see these fetal movements. The incidence of ovarian cysts during pregnancy is less than 5%, and most of them are benign in nature. In this case, the pregnancy measures about 11 weeks, while the cyst is quite large, and it measures about more than 5 centimeter diameter. Laparoscopic cystectomy proves to be safe operation during first and second trimesters of pregnancy. Most ovarian cysts are asymptomatic and harmless, but cysts that continue to grow can rupture or twist or cause complications during pregnancy and delivery. Symptoms may include pelvic pain, which may be isolated to one side. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.